Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Travels with That Guy. This is Virgil, my travelling vessel. I've got to be posting and sharing content of my travels around the UK and Europe, and hopefully next year Africa, which will be pretty damn cool. As you can see, it's a Vauxhall Vivaro. It's a 2011 short wheelbase, home conversion. Got everything I need in there. We've got 2 solar panels on the roof. That's about 110 watts each. Got, now you're not going to, you can just about see it, a fan. Can't remember what fan it is. But we've also got everything else that we need in the van as well. So we'll give it a go of a little van tour. And it will be a little van tour because it's a little van. So, as you can see, we have hats and jackets because we need them. We're living here full time as well, by the way. If we sit down, we have my fridge here. Got storage and more storage. My air fryer lives in there. That's been a godsend. Bed behind me. Water bottle. Diesel heater output. And a few other bits. But I'm going to have to do this as a separate video because I've not got enough room to manoeuvre. So we've stepped into the van now. As you can see, I am half sat laid on my bed. I can't sit up because I've not got enough room. It's a little van. What more do we expect? But what we've got here, cupboards, which has pots, pans, other bits up here, clothing just below, and then more storage just below that. All sorts of stuff in here, predominantly for when I'm away travelling. So I've got my utility tent in there, my 2-burner stove, which only comes out when I've got a gas bottle, which is pretty rare because this van is 100% off grid. As mentioned with the solar. We've also got a split charge running off the front battery to 2 leisure batteries up front and 1 leisure battery at the back. That charges off the solar. And then if we spin around, it's a bit of a mess because it doesn't need to be perfect. Got my little vision board here. Bookshelf, case, whatever we want to call it. Storage for underwear, storage for shopping bags, because that is handy. And then down here, we have a sink, inverters down here, more storage. That's a false cupboard. There's nothing in there. Tea, coffee, sugar up here. Toilet paper, a little brush and a few other bits. And then here we have my water ionizer, which if you want more information about that, let me know. We'll have a chat. And then up here, because it wouldn't be van life without one, we have our IKEA spice rack, which actually has spices in it and woolly hats. They'll be coming out when we get a bit warmer weather. Little air frying guide and a little fold-up table, which I'm not folding up because I'll get my legs trapped. So yeah, very, very brief van tour. I bought this van in January 2022. Self-conversion. Took me about 2.5, 3 months get it to the position where I could actually travel about in it. Didn't cost a lot to convert, to be honest. With anything, with any van, it costs what you want it to cost. You know, you can put in what you want to put in it and it'll cost you whatever you want it to, within a reason. Obviously everything costs, but you can spend thousands or you can spend hundreds. It's your choice. I opted for hundreds, and to be fair, it's functional and it works for me. Well, that's the van tour. Like I say, I've got a diesel heater in here. That's a godsend. When I bought the diesel heater, I got myself a 5 kilowatt one because it was the same price as a 2 kilowatt one. And I'll be honest with you, it's a little bit overkill. It gets very warm very quickly, but at the same time, that ain't a bad thing. It's powered by the 90 amp hour lithium battery at the back, which also charges all of my devices. But as I said, don't need a lot of shit in here because I just don't have it. And I don't need it. I live minimalistically. This is my full-time home and it's ample. Like, I work during the day, I come back at night, I cook, I sleep. That's it. Like, van life is what you need it to be and it's what you'll make of it. For me, that's a very simplistic life and it's what it will always be because I don't need it to be any more than that. When I'm travelling, I don't really need much either. Like, I'll spend more time outside the van than inside the van. Again, it'll just be a matter of sleeping, and that's fine. What I do in summer is these pillows and my head go to the opposite side of the bed, so I'm under the fan, so that when I have that on and it's pulling a little breeze, let's be honest, it is a little breeze. It's like having an asthmatic breathing on you. It just keeps it a little bit cooler. But in the winter, the head goes to the back because it seems to be a bit warmer for some reason. But we're almost at that crossover point, which will be great, where we can start getting a bit warmer. So that pretty much wraps up this first video, a little introduction, a little mini tour around Virgil. Feel free to like and subscribe to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification, because the content is going to start coming thick and fast. Going to start building some stuff up and getting some stuff out ASAP. Let me know in the comments below as well if there's any more information you want about anything I've mentioned in this video. A quick one actually. My fridge, which is there. It's the Alpicool CRX50. Runs off my 2 leisure batteries at the front. Absolute game changer. Having a fridge freezer in a small van like this is a blessing. And to be fair as well, you can take the freezer out, so it's just one big fridge. I've opted to keep the freezer in because I have quite a liking for fab ice lollies, and being able to have them in my van, it's tasty. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.